explain what your plant means, okay? Then we will see the other things on the wall.
Okay.
Life cycle of a plant.
Okay.
From a seed to a sprout. From a sprout to a seed. From a seedling to a plant.
Okay, please be audible, right?
So this is
It was?
this is seed.
Okay.
This pipe.
Okay.
Now we're going to digest seed.
Okay, how our digestive system works.
Yes.
Okay.
From our mouth to our throat, from our throat to our stomach, from our stomach to our small intestine, to our large intestine, then come down.
Okay.
We pump blood in different ways like this.
Okay.
It's coming out inside
Okay. Yes, please. I'm Yes. Okay, thank you.
This is our heart. This is how our heart pumps.
Okay.
We press it a little, then it brings out the blood.
Okay.
Outside the science fair.
These are our lungs.
Okay.
Our lungs.
All right, thank
Our
you.
lungs make us breathe.
Okay.
When we breathe in, our lungs get bigger. When we breathe out, our lungs get smaller. Now we're going to have the life cycle of an animal.
Okay.
This is man. This is the life cycle of a ladybug.
Start again.
This is the life cycle how animals grow.
Okay.
This is my own and this is the life cycle of a ladybug.
Okay.
From egg to a pupa.
Okay.
From a pupa to a larva. From a larva to a young ladybug.
Okay.
From a young ladybug to an adult seeded ladybug.
Okay.
That's all. That's how. That's
Good
how.
morning.
That's how the ladybugs grow.
Okay. So those are the life cycles of different animals, right?
Yes.
Okay, your project was actually on ladybird. Others made butterfly. Okay, that's good.
Everybody just now.
Did something, yeah. All right. So this is what.
This is the life cycle of animals.
Okay.
And this is the life cycle of insects.
Incense. Okay. All right. That's good.
So my own is not here, but I just need to show you.
Okay. You can use somebody's own and show me. If you understand it, anyways. Do you understand it? Okay. Explain.
From an egg to a caterpillar. From
Okay.
a caterpillar to a pupa. From a pupa to a butterfly.
Okay. All right. That's awesome. Are you sure it's from a egg? From eggs to
Yes, see, I
okay, then to this, then to this. All right, that's fantastic. All right. Wow, this is so nice. Look at me, please. Fantastic. Let's go.
This one is like my own.
Go.
The difference between a snail and a jellyfish because a snail is a living thing, but a jellyfish is not a living thing. And the snail can eat because come and see, they take them tomatoes.
Wow, awesome, awesome. These species of snails are called what?
Agatina marginata.
Okay.
They can walk, but they said they cannot keep my body standing to help me move.
Okay.
So this is no. Starting from the mouth.
Okay.
Mouth is where we eat from.
Okay.
We go to our throat.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go to our stomach.
Okay.
We go to our small intestine.
Okay.
Then now go to our big.
Okay.
Come down.
Okay. So that is it about our skeleton. Okay.
This is our body. This is our ribs.
Okay.
And in the
Wrist.
neck, this is our skin.
Where? Here?
No,
The head is our skull.
skull.
Okay. Where is our pelvic?
Our pelvic.
Yes, where is our pelvic? Good. All right. So where are we going next? Okay, is it behind or the front? Oh, you have to take a selfie. Wow. Ewo.
Is my hand up? Is this true?
No.
Okay. Einstein.
So you are
Einstein.
like
Okay, Einstein. Say Einstein.
Einstein.
okay. All right, let's go. Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you. Yes, she did awesome. She did really, really awesome. Good morning. Good morning, Auntie Abby. I'm very well, thank you. Very well.
showed you everything.
She has done so well for herself.
Everything.
Yes,
Was mommy impressed?
of course. Thank you. Okay. I love the fact that the teachers are very interested to see how well our children are doing. That makes me really, really happy. So let me take you a selfie. Can you come a little bit closer? Okay, that's fine. Say cheese. Good.
Armadillo. Had to shelf stuck itself on predators.
Okay. Alright, let's go. So this one is salt water, which is also sea water. Okay, because these things here are sea animals. Alright. So which one next are we doing? I came to do today.
Hello, my mommy came for my science fair.
Of course, we are here for the science fair. Alright. That's it. Thank you. Alright, bye-bye. Bye, Auntie. Okay, guys, I'm going